In this video, we'll just look at a couple more ideas regarding your assignments in Math Excel. So currently I am logged in and I have clicked on the homework and test tab where I see my assignments that are waiting for me. Currently I don't have scores on them because I haven't attempted them. But if I click on homework 2, for example, it's my first assignment listed. I can see that there are 12 questions and I can see when this is due. Okay, so currently it's due on August 13th. I'm going to jump across, so you can choose any question you want. I am going to jump to number 5 just to look at the kind of problem we have and some things to watch for. As you look at this question in the bottom left, it'll always tell you how many parts are remaining. So when this says 1 part remaining, that means that we have a 2-part question. So it's waiting for me to answer this. I'm just gonna put some numbers in here and I can check my answer. It tells me no, gives me some suggestions. I can check it again and check it one more time. That's my final check. If I miss it one more time, it's going to move me on. And when I hit continue, I see the next part. So as far as getting questions right, you do need to get both parts right to get full credit. And again, as soon as I finish the graphing question, which the answer was greater than 6, that would be graph F. I'll get half credit for this question. If I want to try it again to get full credit, notice it moved me on automatically. I can either hit the back arrow or go to the drop down. And when I go back to that question, I just choose similar question. Okay, so that is an example of a 2-part question. So sometimes you'll see 2 parts. If I go to question 7 here, you'll see there's just 1 part for this question. So this is it. And essentially you will have 3 opportunities to finish the question. And don't forget, as you're working questions, if anytime you need help, there is question help up here. Help me solve this will show you how to do this problem exactly. And then it will give you a new problem to try. View an example will give you an example that looks just like your problem, but with some different values. That way you can work your problem in the same way that they are working the problem in the example. Now, one other thing to note on this page is the save button. Now, let's say you're at school and you're not sure if you're going to have internet connection later. The save button, what it will do is for all of the problems that I have not finished, which is all of them, the questions can change from when I close my Chromebook to opening it up again, or leave Math Excel and open it up again. This might not be the same problem that I'll see later. So if I wanted to write this down to complete at a later time, if I don't hit the save button, this is not a guarantee for that I'll have this question. Now, in regards to doing that, it is effective if you aren't sure you'll have internet access for a while. If I choose to hit the save button, it will save the entire assignment as it is, okay? And all of those questions that I just wrote down to complete later, and then so I can put in my answers when I have internet access again, those same questions will be here waiting for me. So that's kind of the nice purpose of the save button. You do not have to save for questions that you've gotten right. When you get a question right, it's automatically locked in. But hit that save button to lock in the questions so that you can continue working on them in the future. And that's basically all you need. You can keep track of your score here. Again, I encourage you to keep working till you get that 100%, either through the examples on Math Excel itself, the examples from your notes, or asking your teacher when you need it. Good luck.